Ring and SimpliSafe are arguably the most popular DIY systems around. Both offer 24/7 home security monitoring for a lower monthly price than brands like Vivint or ADT. Both have packaged equipment kits, build your own system options, and smart home features. We've pitted Ring and SimpliSafe against each other before, but that was 2 years ago, and a lot has changed. With shifts in prices, products, and even logos for both brands, I think it's time we had a rematch. Just like in this older video, I'll be comparing Ring and SimpliSafe on 5 categories: value, monitoring, equipment, smart features, and customer service. Now, there's a lot of ground to cover with both of these security systems, so if you want to learn more, check out the links below to our reviews, FAQs, and how-tos on Safewise.com. We've also got full playlists of videos about both brands that I'll link to at the end of this one. Let's go. Security systems don't tend to land on one single price point. Most have several options for equipment, monitoring, cameras, and other services. Ring and SimpliSafe are no exception. The total price depends on what gear you want and how much house you have. With both systems, we landed on more of a range than a single point, but we also factor in what you get for the cost of each system. Thankfully, SimpliSafe and Ring keep things pretty easy. There are no contracts, cancellation fees, or other hidden charges to worry about. Equipment from either system lands between $200 to $700, while monitoring ranges between $20 to $30 per month. Admittedly, this is a pretty wide price range. The cheapest bundles from both Ring and SimpliSafe land somewhere under $250. But while Ring's bottom line is cheaper, SimpliSafe throws in a little more for its price. For example, as of this video, these are the 2 cheapest equipment options from Ring and SimpliSafe. Ring's basic package here has more equipment and costs less than SimpliSafe's baseline, but dig in just a little deeper and you'll find that SimpliSafe throws in some extra perks. This discounted price from SimpliSafe is only available with a $30 monthly monitoring plan. But with that plan, you also get the new Smart Alarm indoor camera, a wireless siren. Hi, Katie here. Sorry for interrupting. I am currently editing the video that you're watching right now, and I need to correct something there real quick. So that sale I just mentioned, that was temporary. Sorry, my mistake. But SimpliSafe does have sales like that all the time, and it does love bundling a lot of random stuff with its monitoring plan, so it's worth keeping an eye on. Okay, back to the show. Along with those extras, SimpliSafe offers discounts for military and medical personnel, teachers, educators, and first responders. The lesson here is this: dollars to donuts, Ring is cheaper, at least without monitoring. You'll pay less with Ring over time and every month, but SimpliSafe offers more of a value over time for that extra $10 a month. So I'm giving the best value category to SimpliSafe. Monitoring fees are monthly payments that tack on services like professional monitoring, video storage, and emergency response. Whether you're home, out, or on the other side of the world, having a monitoring system means you have backup at all times. Both SimpliSafe and Ring offer professional monitoring with about a $10 difference. SimpliSafe has 2 monthly monitoring plans, one for self-monitoring and one for professional monitoring, while Ring has 3 subscription plans, 1 with monitoring and 2 for cameras. Now, let's break this down a little further. SimpliSafe has 2 monitoring plans, the Fast Protect and self-monitoring with cameras. That $30 monitoring plan isn't just 24/7 protection, it also includes one of SimpliSafe's most unique features, LiveGuard. Now, I tested LiveGuard earlier this year, and it goes a little like this. When your alarm is triggered and you have a Smart Alarm indoor camera, one of LiveGuard's trained monitoring pros will drop in and check on the alarm through the camera. In my test, the siren sounded for about a minute until
Hello, this is Derek with SimpliSafe Security Monitoring on a recorded camera audio stream. Is everything okay?
Yes, hi, I'm just testing the system. Can you hear me?
I'm glad to hear everything is okay. Please provide your name and safe word for this property.
Most security systems will call or text you if your system is triggered, so this feels like SimpliSafe is going the extra mile to look after their customers. If there's an intruder in the house or medical emergency, that direct line plus video confirmation can reduce false alarms even more. If you still want cameras without the staff attached to them, the self-monitoring plan is a good alternative. This option offers unlimited video recording to store all that footage and the ability to self-monitor within the SimpliSafe app. That said, LiveGuard is only available through the Smart Alarm indoor camera right now. This feature isn't available through other outdoor cameras or the Doorbell camera through SimpliSafe. Now let's take a look at Ring. Ring has 3 subscription plans, but only 1 professional monitoring option for its security system. Ring Protect Pro costs about $20 a month or $200 a year. But with Ring branching out of the home in the last couple of years, it has monitoring plans for car cams and even one called Virtual Security Guard that's a kind of live video monitoring. For our purposes today though, we're focusing on Ring Protect Pro because it's most concerned with home security systems. Along with 24/7 monitoring, Ring Protect Pro offers cellular backup which keeps your system running if the Wi-Fi fails. In the last couple of years, Ring has teamed up with Eero, allowing Ring to enjoy a stronger connection for their gear. And with Ring's strength in cameras, that 6-month-long video history is one of the best deals in the biz. Ring Protect Pro also includes one-button SOS calling for your cameras. So if you notice something suspicious in the moment, you can call for help through the Ring app. So which is better? Well, that's a tough question. While Ring stores video clips for longer, SimpliSafe comes out on top for this category. It's hard to ignore SimpliSafe's new LiveGuard feature included with the Fast Protect plan. I've yet to see this kind of thing from any other security system out there. Ring and other systems will call you if an alarm sounds, but none of them can access you directly through the camera.
Okay, thank you for choosing SimpliSafe Monitoring, ma'am. You take care.
I'll sum this one up in one word: cameras. SimpliSafe has great stuff like hazard sensors, intrusion sensors, and a few cameras, but Ring takes the cake when it comes to cameras by a landslide. That other stuff is important for monitoring your home, but with security equipment, cameras are king. Let's take a closer look. SimpliSafe has sensors for nearly everything around the home. Entry sensors? Check. Motion sensors? No problem. Glass break sensors? How many do you need? There are also hazard sensors that can tip you off to problems like frozen pipes or leaks, smoke and fire and carbon monoxide. As for cameras, SimpliSafe has 4 to choose from. SimpliSafe also features its popular smart lock, a key fob to arm and disarm your system, panic buttons, and extra sirens that you can add to your system. Ring, on the other hand, leads in the other direction with a more camera-heavy security system. Plus, its Z-Wave compatibility means you can mix and match other sensors in your system. But while SimpliSafe checks all the must-haves, so does Ring, but with more style, cameras, and extra features. Ring pioneered the video doorbell game and now has 7 models to choose from. Along with video doorbells, Ring has several indoor and outdoor cameras, even a car cam that works on the road. Basically, if you want eyes on something, Ring is up for the job. But while it has quantity, its cameras are pretty middle of the road, mostly filming in 1080p. I've never really been blown away from testing a Ring camera, but the brand has a pretty impressive variety, each with different power sources to fit your home setup. Ring has 2 alarm systems too, the Ring Alarm and Ring Alarm Pro. Both work with other Ring products like video doorbells or outdoor cameras, but the Ring Alarm Pro comes with a built-in Eero Wi-Fi router. Ring also has cool extras like a Ring Pet Tag, Wi-Fi extenders, and access controllers through gates. I've got to give this category to Ring. It's got a huge variety of cameras, extras, and add-ons to customize your system. While SimpliSafe does have high-quality products that are easy to use and set up, none of the equipment is especially groundbreaking. Smart security systems like Ring and SimpliSafe allow you to program automations, expand with third-party components, and use voice control through smart speakers. While both brands are smart, neither is at the top of its class. And neither Ring nor SimpliSafe really shine in this category, but there's still a clear winner between the two. While SimpliSafe can work with Amazon and Google speakers, it doesn't work with as many third-party devices as Ring does. On the other hand, Ring doesn't work with Google speakers at all, but you can at least add Z-Wave devices to your system to expand and fill in the gaps. And considering Ring's Wi-Fi expanding features with Eero, you can add more devices to your system without slowing things down. As for apps from each brand, both Ring and SimpliSafe keep things streamlined. SimpliSafe especially has a really minimal app limited to mostly your system status, basic settings, and camera feed. Ring's interface is a bit busier, but not much different from what you see in SimpliSafe. Its cameras and settings are more detailed than its rival, but it's pretty easy to find what you need in either app. Both Ring and SimpliSafe are missing key components to really impress smart home fans, but between the two, Ring wins this round. It plays nice with a wider range of smart devices and has a Wi-Fi extending ability to help you seamlessly add to your smart home security system. Okay, that leaves us with a tie between the two. Ring has the better equipment and smart features, while SimpliSafe has the better monitoring and value. The last category is... when you have a question or complaint, will your security system have your back? From my research, one of these two systems has a few more resources than the other when it comes to customer service. I looked at factors like customer resources, service areas, and policies for things like cancellation, replacement, and warranty. Here's what I found when it comes to Ring and SimpliSafe. There are articles and FAQs from both brands around a range of topics, from equipment troubleshooting to cancellations. With both Ring and SimpliSafe being DIY, no-contract systems, you shouldn't have trouble canceling your service if you decide your system isn't working for you. As far as return policies go, SimpliSafe offers a 60-day window, while Ring's is only 30. SimpliSafe also offers a lifetime warranty on equipment for its Fast Protect subscribers versus just 2 years for its other monitoring plans. One aspect Ring has over SimpliSafe in this category, though, is reach. Ring is available in over a dozen countries versus SimpliSafe's 2. Gotta give this one to SimpliSafe. Its return policy, warranty, and customer service reviews are just a step above Ring's. When it comes down to SimpliSafe versus Ring, the two are pretty evenly matched. But when you consider factors like overall value, professional monitoring, and customer service, SimpliSafe pulls ahead. Ring's not chopped liver though. The Amazon brand is available in more countries around the world than SimpliSafe and has a wider range of equipment and products. So if you want more camera options and an expandable smart home security system, Ring's the way to go. Between the two though, I've got to give it to SimpliSafe for its unique features like LiveGuard, its vast customer resources, and add-ons that come with monitoring. But I want to know what you think. Are you Team Ring or Team SimpliSafe? Drop a comment below to tell us why. We've got more resources in the description if you want to learn more about either of these security brands on Safewise.com. And be sure to like and subscribe to catch more from us every week. We've also got a link below to our weekly email newsletter. Thanks for watching and stay safe.